In our Chapter 2 experiments on mass change, we have tried to summarize our data using averages. And there are three kinds of averages you might remember. There's the mean, median, and mode. So right now I want to talk about means and medians, and when we might want to use one over the other to represent our data set. So consider a distribution of data on a number line such as this, where data is clumped together and some data points are maybe far removed. But the vast majority of the data is clumped together in the same region. You might argue that the best descriptor or best way to average this distribution of data would be through the use of a median calculation, because a median is the 50% data point. So this data would be best represented, for example, by a data point that falls at that location, as opposed to a distribution of data that is fairly uniform, not too different. Maybe there's some clumping towards the middle, but there's also a gradual fall off on the negative or the left and right side from the main data set. So here you might argue that mean average is the most representative type of average for this distribution of data. Here you might find that the average falls somewhere right in this region or so. Okay, so anyway, when you analyze data, think about which one best represents your data set. Don't simply report the median and mean as equally representative of your data set.